Class Class 8. Good morning, children. We are doing exponents these days. Okay. In the chapter of exponents, we have studied several laws regarding the exponents. Okay. We will move on with the laws. Clear? I hope the earlier laws are clear to you. If you have any problem, you can always ask the questions. Okay. Now we will moving ahead with the laws of exponents. Law 5, the negative exponent. Okay. Till now you have studied only positive exponents. Okay. The powers were always positive. Now we will study what happens when the power is negative, when the exponents are negative. See here, a upon b is a rational number, okay, raised to the power minus m. Okay, a upon b is a rational number raised to the power minus m. Okay, now minus m means the reciprocal of this rational number. Any rational number raised to the negative sign means the reciprocal of this rational number. So this becomes 1 upon reciprocal of a upon b is 1 upon a upon b. So 1 upon a upon b whole to the power m, and this becomes, when you applying the rule of exponents, this becomes 1 upon a to the power m upon b to the power m. And what does it mean? It means 1 divided by a to the power m upon b to the power m. Correct? 1 divided by a to the power m upon b to the power m. When we know how to do the division of rational numbers, we will just write the reciprocal of it and change this division sign into multiplication. We have done this in fractions. Okay. So this becomes 1 into b to the power m upon a to the power m, and this is equal to b upon a whole to the power m. That means if we have any rational number raised to the negative power, what you do, you just interchange the numerator and the denominator, and the sign of the power changes. Okay. The simple rule is this: whenever you have a rational number raised to a negative power, just interchange the numerator and the denominator, and the power, make the power positive. The power becomes positive. For example, if it is 6 minus 6 upon 7 raised to the power minus 3, so its reciprocal will be minus 7 upon 6 to the power 3. They both are equal. Okay, they are both equal. Clear? This means this minus 6 upon 7 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to minus 7 upon 6 raised to the power 3. I have interchanged the numerator and the denominator with the negative sign in the numerator only, because that is the standard form of writing a rational number. Okay, and when we interchange the numerator and the denominator, do you see the sign of the rational number does not change? Only the sign of the exponent changes when we interchange the numerator and the denominator. Do you see here? Please understand this very carefully. Whatever rational number is inside the bracket, the sign of the rational number does not change. Only the sign of the exponent changes when we interchange the numerator and the denominator. Also notice that the negative sign is in the numerator here also, and the negative sign is here in the numerator here also. Okay, we can do it this way. Clear? We can write it this way. Now the next law is law 6, zero exponent. What happens when the power is 0? When the power is 0 of any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. It does not matter whatever you have here. A, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. You need not even solve this part. You just have, if anything is raised to the power 0, just write 1 in that place. Okay, I'll give you some more questions now, and you will solve them based on these laws. Okay.